Welcome. Today we'll be discussing genomics and machine learning and how they work together to progress this field of biology. We'll be talking about the whole genome sequencing process, gene editing, and direct-to-consumer genetic testing, which have all been greatly advanced from incorporating computer science. First, let's start off with some basic information. A genome is an organism's complete set of DNA, including all of its genes. While machine learning is a branch of AI, which means artificial intelligence, based on the idea that systems can learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. The whole genome sequencing process is a laboratory procedure that determines the order of bases in the genome of an organism in one process and provides a very particular DNA footprint that can help link cases to one another. And thanks to incorporating machine learning, has grown as an area of interest in medical diagnostics. When it comes to genome sequencing, researchers are using machine learning to identify patterns within genetic data sets, and these patterns are then translated into computer models which can help predict an individual's probability of developing certain diseases. Algorithms that are translated to computer models help clients interpret how genetic variations affect critical cellular processes like metabolism, data repair, and cellular growth. Secondly, we'll be discussing gene editing, which is defined as a method of making specific alterations to DNA at the cellular or organism level. Machine learning offers the capability to significantly reduce the time, cost, and effort necessary to identify an appropriate target sequence. CRISPR technology is a very useful device for editing genomes. It allows researchers to easily alter DNA sequences and modify gene functions. The following video will elaborate.
Scientists use CRISPR to target genes and edit the DNA of cells. They can choose to replace parts of a gene or stop it from functioning if it's behaving badly. CRISPR is already being used to understand biological systems and is on its way to being used for the benefit of people. However, one of the biggest hurdles is achieving precise and effective cutting without accidentally affecting other sections of the DNA. Currently, scientists would have to manually test all the possible cut locations to get the best one, something that requires a lot of time and money. However, machine learning can dramatically accelerate this process. Working with CRISPR scientists, Microsoft created and trained a computational model that analyzed patterns and irregularities of DNA sequences and ranked the sites where CRISPR can be best applied. This allows scientists to more efficiently locate good sites for effective cutting, while also reducing side effects. Computing CRISPR-ML scores for the entire human genome would take over 200 years on a typical computer. But by using 17,000 Azure cloud machines, scientists could perform all their computations in weeks, enabling CRISPR to rapidly scale up and drive positive change globally.
Lastly, we'll be discussing direct-to-consumer genetic testing. These tests provide people access to their genetic information without necessarily involving a healthcare provider or health insurance company in the process. This category encompasses companies who offer genomic sequencing services to individual consumers. Companies, such as those displayed on the screen, are using machine learning to achieve greater depth in the interpretation of genetic information. The most popular tests use genetic variations to make predictions about health, provide information about common traits, and offer clues about a person's ancestry. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned so much about how machine learning has developed the study of genomics. I hope you like and subscribe below, and you have a great day.